So, welcome back, and this is our second session of this experimental pilot project on calculus, and we have finished a introductory part of this session, and before proceeding next, I request that you all give your feedback whatever you felt about this first session, and we have Mr. Abhijit Chakraborty. He will be taking your interview sort of thing, or don't feel like that news or TV interviews. It is informal way, you can express in any language, you can tell your feelings about mathematics and particularly what you felt about first session. So, Abhijit, please.
Hello. So, after the first session, we are having a short feedback from the students. Let's begin with the first. Your name, please.
आरती पटेल.
So, कैसा लगा पहला सेशन?
એવું જાણવા ખબર હતી કે બધી બાજુ એમ ફિઝિક્સ યુઝ થાય, પણ આજે એ બી ખબર પડી મેથ્સ બી યુઝ થાય છે આપણા અરાઉન્ડમાં. એટલે જેટલું મને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ મેથ્સ લાગતું હતું એના કરતાં બી વધારે હવે જાણવાની ઈચ્છા થઈ ગઈ કે નહીં યાર હજી વધારે જાણવું છે એમ.
ઓકે. તો તમારા નોલેજ આમાં વધે છે અને આગળના સેશન પણ તમે કન્ટિન્યુ કરવાના ઈચ્છુક છો?
હા હા.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ. Your name, please.
My name is Ritu Bansal, and I am studying in Vishwakarma Government College.
Okay.
And I have learned that from childhood that we started, so we gain basic knowledge that we forgot after some time from years ago and that. So we also recall that knowledge. The requirement of the mathematics is important in our life.
Okay, so till now it was like mathematics is just a subject but not part of life. Now you are able to connect to life.
Yes.
Is it something like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what next are you expecting?
So I will just connect it with my life and make it easy.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Okay.
Your name and college, please.
My name is Patel Chanvi and I am from Faculty of Technology and Research Center. It is in Bardoli, and I like this session. I just get many more facts about the calculus and maths, and I will continue these sessions.
Your name, please.
My name is Romit Mehta and I am pursuing BE degree from Atmiya College of Institute and Science, Rajkot.
So how do you feel about this session? From the first session, what was your first impression?
And it was very good. I felt I recalled the topics that was covered earlier in the earlier standards, so I felt very good.
So was it something more connecting to academics, or it was more connecting to your knowledge?
No, it was more connecting to knowledge and daily to daily life.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Your name and college, please.
Myself Uday Patel. I am from Apollo Institute of Technology.
Okay, so the first session is over. I mean, first half of the first session is over. So what do you feel? Your effort to come down for this session and all that have been given equal worth?
Yes, the first session gave me more knowledge about maths at the basic levels, and also the use of maths in different fields and different situations.
Okay, thank you. Your name and college, please.
मेरा नाम कलगी शाह है, मैं सेफ्रॉन इंस्टीट्यूट से हूँ.
ठीक है, तो पहला सेशन का पहला हाफ ख़त्म हो गया है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस की गई है, तो ये चीज़ें आपको किस तरह से लग रहा है? मतलब कहाँ तक ये हेल्पफुल है या क्या है? कैसा रहा आपका
एक्सपीरियंस? अच्छा रहा. वैसे मुझे नहीं पता था कि लाइफ में भी इतना यूज़ होता है, वो पता चला.
तो अब तक मैथ्स को आप एक सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट की तरह देखती थी, इसको लाइफ के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाती थी. आज वो कनेक्शन लग रहा है. तो आगे लग रहा है कि और कुछ बेनिफिशियल रहेगा?
हाँ, रहेगा, ज़्यादा रहेगा.
ओके, थैंक यू. Your name and college?
My name is Manvi Soni and I am from Saffron Institute of Technology.
Okay. Now after this first session, now when you have given different feedbacks, give your feeling that before you came to the before the session started, what was your feeling, and now that the first half is over, what do you feel?
First of all, for faculty members, I would say that they are very supporting as they have encouraged us towards the math subject. Before coming here, I considered maths as my biggest enemy, but now I think that it will be my best friend. So
that has been a remarkable change within the first half. That really calls for a clap, everyone. So you mean to say that till now it was your enemy, and now you are saying that it is going to be a best friend, and still there are 11 and half sessions remaining. So that is the impression.
I expect more.
So by the end of 12 sessions, it will be a different experience altogether. That's good. Thank you. Your name and college, please?
My name is Parth Soni and I am from GC Bhavnagar.
Okay. So here someone said that maths used to be an enemy, now it is going to be a friend. So what is your experience?
No, till now we are looking maths from 2D view.
Okay.
Now we are experiencing 3D view of maths from the sir's experience.
Okay. So please explain a little more this 2D view and 3D view.
2D view means we are just solving problems on paper, and now we are experiencing maths.
You are experiencing maths.
Yes.
Till now it was just
in
on
life,
pen and paper.
Yeah.
Once the book is closed, maths is gone.
Yeah.
But right now you feel that maths will be continuing
till the death of our life.
That's great. Good. That calls for applause. One round of applause again. Your name and college, please.
Maitre Bhatt, Universal College of Engineering.
Okay. So now here somebody is saying that maths is going to be part of their life. Somebody is saying good friend. What do you feel after this first half?
મને લાગ્યું કે પહેલાં અહીંયા કંઈક એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરાવશે કે એવું કરશે, પણ પહેલાં ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનથી ખબર પડી કે મેથ્સ એ આપણા જીવનમાં પણ ઘણું ઉપયોગી છે અને ઘણું બધું જાણવા મળ્યું મને.
એટલે અહીંયા તમે એક ઇમ્પ્રેશનથી એવું આવ્યા હતા કે અહીંયા ફક્ત મેથ્સ સોલ્વિંગ થશે જેવી રીતે કોલેજમાં થાય કે ટ્યુશન ક્લાસીસમાં થાય.
યસ.
પણ અહીંયા આ નથી.
ના.
તો નવું જે છે એ કેવું લાગે છે તમને?
બહુ સારું અને ઘણું બધું જાણવા મળ્યું છે.
Okay. Thank you. That calls for applause again. Thank you. So I again hand it over back to Mr. Chanchal Das for his continuing the sessions, and I hope that we have a really nice experience, a life transformation experience. Right, everyone? Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abhijit. With this, we will start our next session, and I will start from this rational number. Where we use this rational number? You have to give one example where we use rational number for meeting our needs, daily needs, not solving class answer sheet question papers, not like that. In life, where we use rational numbers, what for? There are many uses, but first uses what for we required, as I told you, civilization. When we are getting civilized, where we use first rational number. Pythagoras theorem for what for it is used? Right angle triangle. Simply measurement. It related to measurement. Measurement mein what is the difference between integers and other numbers? Because measurement 1 feet, 2 feet, okay. But all this I should not expect that it will be either 1 feet or 2 feet. It can be fraction also 1.5 feet. So integer will not help, that natural number will not help. I require a fractional number or rational number. So rational number arises from the need of measurement. So that was our second or third need, is not it? So everything related to some needs, human needs. Okay. So irrational number, how it came then? Irrational number, this Pythagoras around 2300 years ago, that society you can think that Pythagoras theorem came, and that time that time, that period, this 200, 300 span of time, this 2200 to 2500 years ago, that Archimedes came, then many things happened, Ashoka, Buddha, all these things are there in these things, Archimedes, is not it? And then Pythagoras in those period, and he was measuring this triangle, right angle triangle, as you rightly told. But irrational number, how it came? When one of his follower, he was trying to find out the that a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is now a square plus b square is equal to c square, and with rational number we are able to solve these things. But what is happening? If it is 1, so 1 square plus 1 square, then what will happen? This c square now become c will become root 2. Yes, 1 square 1 and 1 square 1 and then root 2. Then what is the value of this root 2? He noticed that it is not a rational number, because it is not it is repeating and not terminating, no, not repeating, not terminating. So, it is going on. So, first number was irrational number. He then told that there is another set of number which is irrational numbers. Now, we know there are thousands of irrational numbers, and these numbers do not fall in number line. Then comes reals. Reals are all these numbers added together. Then logarithm number. What is the logarithm number? What for we use that? When the society required logarithm number, it is required some need, no? So, what was the need? Anything you tell? No idea? You see, logarithm number came around 500 years back, 1500 AD, no, around 500 years back. What was that time? We are always seeing towards space. We have a natural attraction, and we always used to know more about the outer space, is not it? In that sense, if I ask you all, can you tell what was your first thought of what you want to become in life? From the childhood, you have different time, different thoughts. I will become, now you are settled that you will be an engineer almost. What your branch? Computer. Your?
Electronics and communication.
And you? Computers. You?
IT.
You? Computer. You? Computer. IT. So, all you settled as engineers, okay. Now, but what, when you are growing, initially what you used to dream that I want to be a, can you tell?
I want to be a teacher.
Okay, very good. I am asking the more earlier age. Teachers means that time you have grown up, and you know that there is a system of teaching, there is a method, but before that you try to remember that I wanted to be something like that.
I want to be a singer.
Very good. And singer, yes, then you have a sense and you started liking song, okay, singer. Earlier than that?
Yeah, than that.
No. You? What was your early childhood dreams? What you wanted to be?
My earlier childhood dreams was I don't want to hurt somebody. I want to be a good person.
That was your nature. You are good in that. But you had a dream. I want to be like that. Pass on next. So, yes, okay. It is okay. You can go ahead, carry.
Don't know.
Nothing. Something will be there, no?
Nothing.
Anybody? You tell somebody? Huh? Very good. You? Pilot. You? Engineer. Engineer you learned at a later stage. Then you matured. I am telling when you were just growing. That time dream.
Famous.
Huh?
Famous.
Famous, that time you were not knowing why there is something called famous. I am at early ages. When you are 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, then you are not having any idea about the out world. That time. In JAL, everybody want to be a pilot or astronaut, as he told. We had a natural affinity to go outer space. So I don't know, I maybe, but my general observation is that everybody wanted to be a pilot, is not it? Have you thought of any time to become a pilot? No.
At childhood, I think so.
Okay, no issue. So pilot. But why I am telling this? What is the relation with that? What I want to be a pilot or an astronaut, and what is I was discussing about logarithm number. What is the relationship? That time also outer space, that pyramids actually, it is being thought they are trying to establish a relationship from outer space. So people from childhood, as we are like, we want to be a pilot to see that what is in outer space, that human society, every human civilization also had a affinity to deal with outer space. And that outer space, in those days, if you just try to remember that those days there was no telescope or all these things, but they used to calculate very accurately the distance between earth and sun, diameter of the earth and diameter of the moon, all these things. And when they are handling all these numbers, what is those numbers? Those numbers are very large numbers, very large number, is not it? And this dealing of this large number, multiplication, it is a very tedious job, and they devised that logarithm. And how this logarithm helps? Any idea? Have you learned logarithm in colleges or schools? No? It is there in
Yes.
What for?